Yo, yo, yodely, yo, 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 and how is everyone doing? So today I'm actually going to be doing the first service on my new TNT. I won't be taking it to a dealer because I usually always do services on my own bikes. And you did not look this way at all, love, did you? Just shot out of there. The thing is, with the 125, it's great to try out your mechanic skills and, you know, tinker with things because it's really, really basic. So what I'm doing before I do the oil change, I'm just warming up the bike, and that'll make the oil just run a lot more freely when I empty it. Also, the oil filter that I've got for the bike, I will show you. Where are you going, mate? Fucking hell. See what I mean? People just don't look, do they? Just do not fucking look. The oil filter that I got shown, a subscriber sent me a link to it, so hopefully it should be the right one, because all in all this cost me around about 20 quid, where it would have cost me just over £80. Because when they do these services in the garage anyway, they pretty much do exactly what you're going to do anyway, and that is change the oil, and you hope that they change the oil filter as well. A lot of garages are a bit sneaky in that, and they'll do some cutbacks and won't change the oil filter. But anyway guys, let's crack on with this service. time gonna... Right guys, so here it is. Here's the oil filter that I'll be using on my bike, and it is a High Flow Filtro, and it is HF113. So that's the part number for it. And I think it's just a basic generic sort of oil filter really. I've used them before plenty of times. I've never had any problems or anything. Here it is guys. It's very small. So that should hopefully fit and work just fine.